Welcome to Attack. In this video, I will tell you that how you can share Google Drive files via link on WhatsApp and Messenger. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Drive, then select the file and click on three dots. So here you can see copy link option. Now I will move to WhatsApp and I will share this file on WhatsApp. You can also share it on Messenger. So I will paste that link here and now I will click on this link and you can see my file is opened. So in this way you can share any file via link on Google Drive. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.